Hello, this video tutorial will show you how you can download NLP++ and start using it right away. And be sure to check out our brand new NLP++ textbook available at bpbonline.com. That's bpbonline.com, now available worldwide. To use NLP++, you need to first download VS Code, the editor of choice for most programmers. Go to any search engine and type in VS Code download. Then choose your platform and install. Once you've brought up VS Code, go over to the extensions icon, click on that, and type in NLP. You should see NLP++ right at the top. Click on install. Choose NLP files for the icon theme, and then open up the bottom panel and click on VisualText. You should see at that point VisualText downloading and updating. That could take a few minutes. Once you see update check complete, you are ready to load your analyzers. So go over to the Analyzer tab, click on the cog that says Load Example Analyzers, and choose. You then will have to open up the bottom panel again, click on VisualText, and you're going to see that it's going to try to update again, but this time it should not have anything to update. Next, click on the NLP++ icon, and then click on and open up the NLP Fix Analyzers. And I would go through each one of those to play around. First, click on the analyzer you want, in this case, date time. Go up and click on the text and run. Once you run, you can now look at the analyzer and look at each step in the analyzer sequence. You can click on numbers and see the rules that are firing for numbers. It just checks for a number. If you want to see where it matches that rule, you can click on the display matched rules. Here is ordinal numbers. Display. Here are times. Display. And then you can also see the final tree. Once it's parsed, you have the parse tree. You can then go and look at formatting and run that. This will recreate formatting from text. If you look at the final tree, you can see there's prose, sentences, page titles, enumerations, all reconstructed from the text. The last one of the three is an NLP parser, which does more complicated NLP. Here you will also see dictionaries that are used in this parser. And you also see the output of that text and everything it's extracted. And finally, you can click on parse.en.us and load the full English parser, see its dictionary, which has over 100,000, has 191,543 entries, and you can run this on a text. Let's just do a very simple sentence so you can run on it. This takes a little bit longer because it does load up. This is interpreted, and it will not run as fast interpreted as it would compiled. And if you look at the final tree, you can see that it has the entire sentence all blocked out in the syntactic form, from sentences to clauses to noun phrases to their parts of speech. And that parser will deal with any type of English you throw at it. It won't break. It may not get everything right, but it'll never break. So that's also available. So I really hope you enjoy playing around with NLP++. You don't have to be a programmer. We have many people who are not programmers who play around with it and start building your own analyzers in NLP++ and the NLP++ extension for VS Code, which we call VisualText.